Welcome back to our channel. Apple's spring event is officially over, and I know a lot of you are joining the iPhone family for the first time. But there's one annoying problem. Your contacts are still stuck on your old Android phone. And manually typing them in? Yeah, no thanks. That's way too much work. I got you. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer all your contacts from Android to iPhone, quick and easy. Let's jump right in. Method 1. SIM card transfer. On your Android phone, open the Contacts app, tap Manage Contacts, then go to Import or Export. Tap Export and choose Export to SIM card. The speed depends on how many contacts you have, but once it's done, all your contacts are saved onto the SIM card. Now take out the SIM card and insert it into your iPhone. But here's the thing, they won't show up right away. Go to Settings, scroll down to Contacts, then tap Import SIM Contacts. And just like that, all your contacts will appear in your iPhone. If that feels a bit tedious, don't worry, there are easier options. Method 2. Move to iOS. This method works best if your iPhone hasn't been set up yet. If it's already activated, you'll need to erase it first. On your Android phone, download the Move to iOS app. On your iPhone, go to Settings, then General, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then choose Erase all content and settings. Once your iPhone restarts, follow the setup process until you reach the Apps and Data screen. Select Move Data from Android. Now follow the on-screen instructions on both devices until you get a code. Enter the code and the two devices will connect. Here, you can choose contacts or select other data as well. Tap Continue and the transfer will begin. Once it's done, your contacts will show up on your iPhone. But what if your iPhone is already set up and you don't want to lose your data? Don't worry, I've got a better option for you. Method 3. Transfer with iTransGo. If you want something faster and more straightforward, I highly recommend a professional tool called iTransGo. It lets you transfer contacts, photos, videos, messages, and more from Android to iPhone in just a few clicks. You can find the download link in the description below. First, connect both your Android and iPhone. Open iTransGo on your computer and select Android to iOS. Once your devices are detected, click Start. You can choose Contacts only or select everything, then click Start Scan. After the scan is complete, hit Transfer Data. And that's it. The transfer starts instantly. In just a few seconds, all your selected data, including contacts, will be moved to your iPhone. No data loss, no reset, no complicated steps. Super simple. Now you can open your iPhone and see all your contacts right there, ready to go. That's everything for today. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.